Beth yw Ymuno? Cynllun yw e I helpu plant rhwng 4 ac 11 oed I ymuno â chlybiau neu mewn gweithgareddau lleol yr hoffwn nhw'n gymryd rhan ynddyn nhw, ond lle bydd angen cymorth iddyn nhw'n wneud hynny. Mae Dash yn rhedeg cynlluniau hamdden arbenigol dros y Pasg ac yn ystod gwyliau'r haf, ond nid yw'r rhain at ddant pawb, ac mae'n well gan rai plant fynd I glwb wedi ysgol neu weithgareddau eraill yn nes i'w cartrefi. Mae ymuno'n gynllun syml a hyblyg. Mae Dash yn talu gweithiwr cynorthwyol I fynychu clwb neu weithgaredd gyda'r plentyn, gan weithio un I sicrhau bod y plentyn yn medru ymuno yn y pethau sydd o ddiddordeb iddo neu iddi hi. Mae'n hawdd I ddefnyddio gwasanaeth ymuno drwy fynd at wefan Dash. Dylai arweinydd y clwb mae'r plentyn am fynychu osod manylion y clwb ar y ffurflen felen, a bydd Dash wedyn yn siecio rhain I fod yn siŵr bod y clwb neu weithgaredd yn addas i'r cynllun, ac unwaith mae'r clwb wedi cael yn sil bendith, bydd yr arweinydd yn medru hawlio tâl yn fusol gan ddefnyddio'r ffurflen goch. Gofynnwn i'r clybiau a rhieni roi sylwadau I ni ar lwyddiant y drefn unwaith y flwyddyn, hynny ar y ffurflenni gwyrdd a glas mwyn I ni a'r cyrff sy'n ariannu'r prosiect fod yn siŵr bod y cynllun yn llwyddiannus. A dyna I gyd.
Well, if we didn't have the scheme, Hugh couldn't go to after-school club or the holiday play schemes that Goody Who's runs. From my point of view, I couldn't go to work full-time as I do. For Hugh himself, obviously, it's extremely important that he do as much as he can with other children in the same context as other children, and this helps him very much at school, and it continues into after-school care, not every day of the week, 2 days a week, and then in the holiday playtime, very important as well. He couldn't do that without one-to-one supervision. It would not be safe, and he wouldn't get as much out of it also. And the people who give him the extra help, I think, work above and beyond the call of duty, not just to keep him safe, but to help with his development, and I really appreciate that. So in every possible way, it helps him, it helps the family, it helps me, and helps in practical ways, in less tangible ways, and it makes all the difference to our lives, quite frankly.
Josie benefits from coming here because he can mix socially with other children, and mum's going to college and needs the well-earned break. Josie doesn't like noise sometimes or doesn't like shouting, so it's very good for him to be here to get used to other children, used to noise. Without this scheme, Josie wouldn't be able to come here, and mum wouldn't be able to go to college because a lot of times her lessons go on till 4 o'clock or 4:30. And also as well, Josie has consistency because we're having the same night every week, and it's the same staff.
He's very happy to come. He'll be jumping up and smiling and laughing. Otherwise, if he didn't like it here, once we get to the gate, he'd start screaming, but he doesn't do that. He's always happy to come here. All I can say is a good scheme. It helps me a lot. It helps us as a family. And also, I have another daughter, Miss Machi. I can do a lot with her when she goes, there's no with me. Like today, I took her to the library, we rented a film and rented some books. You know, but I could give Samachi one-to-one time, while Chigozie is having one-to-one here. So I think it's great.